start off with here. Okay, so now this is the Tryall wheel here, so the whole vibe here, so. Oh, so now we have David over here, so. Oh, I got some fair shoot from you know.
More love.
More love. Real quick, so real quick, stop by the Tryall wheel right there. So I have some drone shot at it. Yo, just start off a vlog to me. Always I do this thing. Yo, big up on yourself. Look out for this content. It's a little vibe here. A little vibe here. Vibe. So we have some tourists with us and we have David. He's a tour guide. Look on the wheel here. So vibe. And we're just out here just chilling and building, like exploring Jamaica to the best of our ability as usual. I know the audio here sounds amazing. You know, it's a little vibe. Oh yeah, remember, like, comment, subscribe. We're out here, you know, out here without fear. Now at Fort Tryall, and it's a whole vibe. Just did some drone shots here. Ooh. Yo, the water nice. Okay, at Fort Tryall now. Yo, what you see them need to do right now is renovate this place, you know. To be honest. And the school there right there, so.
You know what, guys? You give me an idea, because I never do a tour like this.
Go tell them about the $17 million sign.
Yes. One to the bay one. It's 24,000. Yeah.
Negril signed $17 million. You know, it's a little vibe here.
Better location.
Everything. You're walking and the waters are flowing on you.
And you know, if you want your fruits, you have to come to Nick, right? You find Nick out there. Board up shop. Life.
Fruits
Yes,
is
sir.
life.
Fruits is life, man.
Coconut chopping.
Yeah, man, electrolytes. You drink a coconut water, you put on no sunscreen. Trust me. I'm living proof. I'm on the beach every day.
Really?
No sunburn, bro.
On a coconut in out. Yeah, drink a coconut. Wash off your heart.
Every day.
Respect my G. Chill pops. Where are you? Chill pops. I think that, man. How is it?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Mad thing. Really enjoyed it.
10 out of 10. Shut it already.
Yeah, man.
One life. Yo, you're still in the ice cream.
Margarita, Ville. Da da da. Birds. Boy. I think we start off a vlog already. You know, we have Charms over here, so big bad tour guide extraordinaire.
More love,
You know, we're just out here like we don't know where we're in Negril right now. We know said the
7 Mile Beach, huh?
7 Mile Beach. We have a lot of beautiful couples over here. Or we have this beautiful couple right here too. So you can find it. Yeah, here so. And then we have some other beautiful young ladies. So Charms, you know, say, oh, we can't. Oh, okay. Let me just go to this one. So you hear the wind behind us. The beach is like wonderful. Everybody just chilling. It's just a next side of Jamaica, you know? Next side of Jamaica. On the water, the beaches, nature, all the palm trees, everybody just relaxing and enjoying themselves. Bad bridge. Yo, you might walk on the beach protein with him lady. Oh my. So now this is the horseback riding you can do in Negril. It's a little vibe. You know you can't go behind the horses just like that. So that's the thing. Yeah. You're not in there, man. Are those the horses? You know? Okay, so now we're there at Cafe. I know say I never have a time to actually start off the vlog or actually vlog good. So we're just here billing and chilling right now. Waiting on some food. What the food we are gonna use our sauce, the Scotch Boy sauce on one of them, the wings, and let them try. And that should be a little vibe there, so you know a mad thing right now, you know, Ritz Cafe, sunset, diving, It's copyright music though. I know it gonna kill my body. Okay. First time being a big boy in a long time. You know, say if I'm drunk,
They never have no flavor beer.
brother, you see if I'm drunk,
No, man, they don't go drunk, man.
you see if I'm drunk, I hear fault.
No, I tell you, me drink one name, you just make a frost, isn't it?
Okay.
You know, make a, like, isn't it? You just make a frost. One beer, very good.
I know, man. Up to now, it a burn me.
Outside, you know?
Out here without fear.
Without fear.
So we get the lighthouse, we get a little drone shot of that, and also the strip here. So look for that one. Oh, brother, insert that right. No. That's a little vibe there. So practically the Negril trip was a major success, right?
Good driver, good tour, everything, you know? More life to Jusmedz.
Brother, I'm a good man.
Yeah,
You
man.
know, we're just out here without fear. And
Fear.
yo, hopefully make it to actually do the sunset right then and there. And if we get to do the sunset, should be a little vibe. Yeah, but never get to do the sunset, no matter what. I know say them go to shoot my drone 2 times, you know. Shoot it, bam bam. And then after it's just a little vibe, you know. 2 times. Rich Cafe. I'm a content creator, I know for flying now. So like me don't know for flying now, that's the thing. Yeah, me never know for flying now. You know that kind of say no. When me get my FPV drone though, I come back soon. You're my wife here. You're my wife here, right? Wife? Yeah, you're my wife here.
Me?
Yeah.
Your wife?
Yeah.
Be there.
Yeah.
Anything else? Be there. Be there. I have it there.